Good afternoon, my dear students, and welcome to our level 2 from the English language. I'm very happy to see you all here. Welcome Amal, Fatima, Muhammad, and Said. During this level, I'll be your guide, and we're going to explore the English language skills and improve them as well in reading, writing, speaking, and listening and understanding. Our first lesson in the level 2 is connected to a very beautiful subject. I like to speak about it: home and family. Home and family. When we think about home and family, there are a few things could come in our mind, like, for example, when you think about home, you think about safety, think about the dear ones to you, your family, your parents, your sisters, your brothers, and all the other siblings. So just by mentioning these two words, home and family, in fact you are ready to explore other words beside them: home, family, parents, mother, father, sister, brother, uncle, aunt, cousins. They are the ones beside you and the nearest ones to you. And here it is, we have the first lesson, and you can see home and family. Please tell me, do you see the screen, my dear students? Do you see the screen? Do you see the lesson? Do you see the lesson?
No, I see only the logo of the book.
Only the logo of the book. Alright, now let's try, let me help you one more time, and let's see if you can see right now the record. Alright, what about now?
It's okay.
Now it's fine.
Yeah, it's okay. I see why.
Perfect.
Yes, I see people, small children.
That's more exactly. This is the first lesson from the unit home and family. Now, during this unit, my dear students, we will be learning a few things related to grammar. And related to grammar, we are going to talk about the possessive s, or the apostrophe s as it is also called. This possessive is showing us the ownership, that something belongs to someone or something belongs to something. And we will discuss as well about the present simple. Present simple, when the facts or the events or the actions happen at the moment of the speaking. Like, for example, right now I speak, you listen. All right, this is the present simple, and it is one of the simplest tense in the English language. Also, with the present simple, we have the present simple questions as a vocabulary, because beside grammar, the vocabulary is very important. When you do have a rich vocabulary, this means that you feel much more confident and eager to have a conversation in English, or to start a conversation, or you can just pick up a topic and develop it with other speakers or with your peers, for example. So for the vocabulary of this unit, we have family and also verbs with noun phrases. All of these things will be discovered to you through our lessons. As a task, it is very important that after we talk about the possessive s, and after we learn the present simple, so we learn to speak about the facts at the moment of now, we will be able to present our personal profile. So what it means, a personal profile: you'll be able to tell about your age, you tell your name, from where are you, and maybe but I'm sure about this that you can also be able to do the other task following my guidance. You will be able to say also your hobbies, or maybe your favorite place to go, your favorite activities, you know, anything which is related to your personal profile. Personal profile means describing yourselves, Now, here it is. If you look up on the first page, you may see a few images. As Said was saying earlier, very well Said, you can see some small children, and also, what else do we see here on this page? Let's see. Amal, what else do you see on the first page?
I see a children.
You see children, very good. And
A grandpa.
and a grandpa or grandfather. Yes, very good, Amal. Just you understood that being related to home and family. So definitely those photos show members of a family. Like for example, a grandfather with his grandson. And what about the two children from above, Muhammad, Fatima, Said? Who do you think they are, or what's the relation between them, the connection? Because we talk today about family connections. Fatima?
Maybe they are brothers.
Maybe they are brothers. Very good, brothers. So here it is. We have one example for from the family connections or family relations, brothers, and then we have the grandfather with his grandson, there maybe a granddaughter, don't know exactly, but anyway, we can call the little child grandchild, you know. So the grandfather with his grandchild. All these are family connections, you know, family members. Very good. Beside brothers and grandson or granddaughter, grandchild or grandchildren, grandfather, do you know other family members in English? Because I'm very sure that you know them in Arabic, you know, so that's very clear. But now we have to do this in English. Do you know any other family members in English? Amal?
Hi, what? I didn't hear you well. Can you?
Of course. If you can tell me in English other family members. We know about brothers, grandfather, grandchild. Do you know others?
Me, sister.
Sister, very good. How do you
Uncle.
Uncle, very good. Let's see Muhammad. Muhammad, do you know other family members in English?
Yes. Son
Son, very good.
and father.
Father, very good. Syed, thank you,
Oh,
Muhammad.
Thank you.
it may be cousin,
Cousin, very, very good.
nephew,
Nephew, pair,
Parent.
parents, very good. Parents, that's right. Very good. Now, because we talk about home and family, I would like to know a little bit about you, for example, about yourselves. So I'm going to start with Amal. And Amal, can you tell me from where are you, and if you have brothers or sisters? From where are you, Amal? I know that all of you are from Saudi Arabia, but I would like to know the city from where you are coming or where you are living.
I living in Tabuk.
In Tabuk, very good. Tabuk is very cold in winter. That's what I know.
Yeah, very cold.
And do you have brothers or sisters?
Yeah, I have one brother and 6 sisters.
One brother and 6 sisters. So you all have a big family, Amal. That's very beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you, Amal. Fatima,
Yes.
from where are you, Fatima?
From Riyadh.
From Riyadh. Well, that's right in the heart of Saudi Arabia, the capital.
Right.
Fatima, do you have brothers or sisters?
I have one brother only.
You have just one brother. What's the name of your brother?
35.
That's his age. And his name?
His name was Ahmed. He's Ahmed.
Ahmed. Very good. Thank you, Fatima.
Okay, thank you.
Mohammed, how about you? Do you have uncles? Do you have aunts? Do you have brothers? Do you have sisters?
I have 2 sisters and 3 brothers.
2 sisters and 3 brothers. You come from a big family, Mohammed.
What?
You are coming from a big family.
Yes.
That's very, very good. What about your parents, Mohammed? What's the name of your father? Ahmed?
Yes.
Yes? Oh, I was right. So Ahmed. Very good. Welcome, Mohammed. And from which city you are, Mohammed?
I'm from Mecca.
From Mecca. Oh, that's very beautiful. You are direct from Mecca. Welcome, Mohammed, and thank you for your answers.
Thank you.
And Syed, what about you? From where are you, Syed?
I'm from Jeddah.
You're from Jeddah. Very good.
Yep.
Jeddah is very beautiful, right beside the sea.
Yes.
Syed, please tell me, do you have brothers? Do you have sisters?
Yeah, I have 2 sisters and 1 brother.
They are married? They have children?
I am married and I have 3 daughters.
You are married?
Yes.
All right, so you are a father. You're not just a student, you are a father. Also,
Yes.
you are a father and you have 3 daughters. Very good, Syed, and very happy to hear this. So we have between us also a father with, his daughters. Welcome, Syed. My dear, thank you. My dear students, now, because we were talking about vocabulary and about family, you are able to hear some words from what yourselves were just telling me right now about family. Before even we continue with the book, I would like that we hear the first recording of our unit. So please allow me to share with you the link, and then we will come back to the book, and I'd like to hear you reading the words you just see right now in vocabulary. Alright, so here it is. During the recording, my dear students, I would like to mention that it is very good if you mute your mics, so we avoid any trouble during this. And I will share with you right now the link, and we may proceed. Please mute your mics before we proceed with the video.
You are now muted.
Unit 5, Recording 1. 1.
Unit 5, Recording
Brother,
1.
sister, father, son, mother, daughter, parents, children, husband, wife, grandmother, grandson, grandfather, granddaughter, grandparents, grandchildren. You are now unmuted.
Very good, my students. We just listened to this family vocabulary, and you were able to hear the most common words we can find when we talk about family and related to our family members. Now, let's go back to the book. I will be reading for you one more time all the words, and then I'm going to wait that each one of you will read, let's say, 2 words. Make sure that it's clear. Alright, so here it is, vocabulary family. Look at the photos and listen to the family words. This is exactly what we did. Now, brother and sister, father and son, mother and daughter, parents and children, husband and wife, grandmother and grandson, grandfather and granddaughter, grandparents and grandchildren. Let's try to read each one of you two words. Okay, so start. Each one of you has 2 points from the words there. Amal, let's try to read the first 2 lines. Brother and sister. Amal, do you hear me? Until Amal is getting ready, I'm going to Fatma. Fatma, do you hear me?
Yes, I heard you.
Okay. Fatma, let's try to read the first 2 group of words.
Brother and sister, father and son.
Very good, Fatima. I'm going to Muhammad. Muhammad, the next 2, please.
Yes.
Mother,
Mother and daughter.
daughter, parents,
Parents and children.
children. Yes, parents and children. Muhammad, can you repeat the last one, please?
Parents and children.
Very good, Muhammad. Very, very good. And let's go to Syed. Syed, the next 2, please.
husband
And
and wife,
wife. Grandmother,
grandmother and grandson.
grandson. Very good, Syed. Very good. And Amal? Amal, are you here?
Yes, I hear you now.
All
Sorry,
right.
I just got on. Okay.
Let's read the last 2 of them. Grandfather,
Grandfather and granddaughter, grandparents and grandchildren.
very good. Grandparents and grandchildren. Very, very good. All right. These were, you're welcome, Amal. These were the words you just heard during the recording. And now let's try to put these words in some groups, or we say categories. We'll see to which groups they belong. For example, we have down point B. It's mentioned there. We have the group for male, means that those words or those members in the family are just men, or it's just used just for men, those words. Or female means that those words are used just for women. And we have another category in which enters men and women. Let me give you an example. For example, the kids. The kids, or the children, how they are called, and we meet the word here. So when you speak about kids, we have boys and girls, or men and women. So they are both categories, men and women, boys and girls, enter here. So if I have to put the word kids in a group or in one of those 3 categories there, I will be choosing the last one, male or female, because as I said to you, kids, we speak about boys and girls, or men and women. All right, let's try to solve the exercise now to see how this can be. So I'll be reading the group, and then each one of you will tell me where these words can go. For example, brother and sister. Let's see, Muhammad, brother and sister, where these words can go.
I don't understand.
All right,
Please again.
one more time. So when we have 3 categories, we have male. In this category, we put the words just which are for related to men. Like, for example, brother.
Male,
Man.
boy.
Man,
boys
boy.
and men.
Yes, boy or man. Exactly. Female, woman,
Yes.
or girl.
Yes.
All right. So, for example, the word brother. The word brother, it refers to a
Brother, boy.
Boy.
Male.
male. Exactly. And if I want to say sister,
Female.
female. Female. Exactly. So, brother and sister. I have brother goes to male and sister goes to female here. Very good, Muhammad. Let's see father and son.
Father, man, male.
And son?
Male.
Male. So we have the first category. Father and son, both of them are going, these words, for suitable, or we use them to express or to talk about a man. You know, a man. Okay. Very good, Mohammed. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. I'm going now to Amal. Amal, we have mother and daughter. Mother and daughter.
Okay.
Who can be a mother? Who can be a daughter?
What? I don't understand.
Let's say, so mother and daughter. When I say the word mother, do you think about a male or a female?
Female?
Female, yes. Female means woman or
Okay.
girl. All right. And when I think
Okay.
about daughter,
Female?
female, still female. So both of them, mother and daughter, we will be putting them in the category, the second one, female. Mother and daughter,
Okay.
female. The next one is yours, Amal. Parents and children. Parents. Who are the parents?
Parents, my father and my mother.
Exactly. Your father and your mother. So we speak about here your father, who is a man, and your mother, she's a woman. So we have male and female.
Female. Okay.
So-
male and female. My parents,
Yeah.
male and female.
So the parents. This means the last category. The last category. Very good.
Okay.
And children?
Children, already male and female.
Exactly, because the children, we have boys, girls.
Maybe, or girls. Okay. Oh, sorry, right.
So it will be put where? In which category? The first, the second, or the third?
Third.
The third. Very good, Amal. The third, the last
Thank
one.
you.
Very good, bravo. Now I was going to speak with Syed. Syed.
Yes.
Husband and wife. Husband and wife.
Husband will be a male.
Male.
Yes. Wife, female.
Wife, female. So husband and wife, we have male and female. I mean, who is the husband? The man.
Man and woman.
Yes, man and woman. So where this word, this group of words will go, husband and wife, to first category, to second, just, or to third?
Husband and wife, all
Yes, together. Where we will put them?
together will be the third kind.
The third.
negative.
Yes, Syed. Very good. Bravo. Very good. So we
Thank
have
you.
male or female. Well done. And the next one is still for you, Syed. Grandmother and grandson.
Grandmother will be a woman, female, the second.
And grandson, who is the grandson?
Grandson is a boy.
Is a boy.
Will be male.
Male. Exactly. So we will put them. I will put him. Grandmother.
Together,
Grandmother will go to the female, exactly. We use grandmother just for female. And grandson just for boy. Grandson just for boy. Exactly, as you just mentioned. Well, Syed, very good. Very good. You're welcome.
you.
And with here, Fatima. Fatima, my dear, we have grandfather and granddaughter.
Grandfather is a male.
Is a male.
Granddaughter female.
Female. Very good. And what about grandparents and grandchildren?
Grandparents, male or female, and grandchildren also male or female.
Very
They may be
good.
boys and girl or girl.
Exactly, Fatima. Very good. Wonderful. Well done. Now, my dear students, that we have settled down where these words are used and for which person, for male or female, he or she, as we say, we can go down, and please notice that we have here the pronunciation, which is very important when you mention about speaking and conversation. So my advice is that at the end of this session, or after while, or even tomorrow before our next lesson, that you go back to this session, which is recorded, and you listen to it one more time, 2 times, 3 times, as long as you need, to make sure that your pronunciation is correct. Now, please look down the exercise 2A. It says, underline the odd one out. Now, does anyone knows what it means odd? What it means odd? Have you ever heard before about the word odd? Odd. Because it's very important to know exactly what you have to do when it comes to exercises. So I will tell you, odd means different than what you usually know or normally know. Strange, okay? Different, unusual, abnormal, so odd. But in this case, it also have the meaning that, because it is an exercise, it also have the meaning like the one which doesn't fit there, you know, which doesn't fit, the word which doesn't fit in this group. So here it is. We have first of all, I will read for you one more time what is required. Underline the odd one out. Now we will not be able to underline, but you will be able to tell me which word from all these categories you think it doesn't fit there. I mean, shouldn't be there between them. So number 1, you have an example: son, parent, daughter. Now, as you see here, the one which doesn't fit, or the unusual one, the odd one out, is parent, because son and daughter, you know, so they are the children. Yes, so they are the same. They have the same meaning. And this is why the parent is underlined, meaning that it doesn't fit at all. Then we have number 2, husband, wife, child. Husband, wife, child. So here it is. Let's see. This is the category. I will mark it like this so you will be able to see where exactly we are. So husband, wife, child. Now, Muhammad, which one of them you think shouldn't be there? We have husband, wife, child. So we have the husband, and we have the wife, and we have the child. Which one of them shouldn't be there? Muhammad?
Sister.
We are right there at number 2. Husband, wife, child.
Wife.
Well, let's see why you think the wife shouldn't be there.
I think husband boy, male.
Yes.
Child male. Wife woman.
Yes, you have just expressed your opinion, but let's look at the word child. When I speak about the word child, I say he has a child. Well, I didn't say if this child was a man, I mean a boy, or I would say boy, or a girl. You know, I mean it's male or female. I didn't say. So in this case, the child can be male or female. Child. No, I didn't say.
Yes.
But when I speak about husband and wife, so I speak about, you know, the one married, the couple, husband and wife, husband and his wife. All right. So what do you think, Muhammad? Which one is we should, you know? Child in this case, because we have already the one which fits to each other, like son and daughter, husband, wife. So child is going to be the one underlined, I mean the odd one out. All right, very good, Muhammad. Number 3. Number 3, we have grandparent, brother, sister. Side, what you think? We have grandparent.
I think we will add the grandparent.
Grandparent, yes.
Because the brother and sister may be a child or
they are the same thing, like you know, brother sister. You know, they have the same. So they are the children. So brother sister. So this you are right. Grandparent is the odd one out. The one we're supposed to like you know take it out from them. You are right side. Very good. And then I'm going to number 4, brother, son, wife. Brother, son, wife. Let's see who is here. Amal. Until Amal she will solve the connection, the problem connection, we are going to talk with Fatima. Fatima, brother, son, wife. What do you think?
Brother, son, a wife?
Yes.
A wife.
Wife. What made you to pick up the wife from the 3 words?
Because female, while others are male.
Very good, Fatima. I like how all of you are thinking, you know. So sometimes, you know, the English language, it's not just about talking and stuff, but also about analyzing, you know. So it has, or not just about learning rules by heart, but about analyzing, you know, and subtracting the right answer from there. So Fatima, as you said, the odd one out is wife. And number 5, we have wife, children, mother. Muhammad. Wife, children, mother. Which one you think we should out?
Wife.
Wife. Very good, Muhammad. Because we have mother and children. So the mother and the children, they go together. Very good, Muhammad. Wife is the odd one out. And number 6, Syed.
Sister, father, husband.
Very good, Syed.
I think we will add sister because the father will be the husband.
Exactly, father and husband. First of all, both of them are males, and then we have father and husband. So the husband can be a father, as you said. So the odd one out is sister. Syed, very, very good, and very good that you read the words before you say which word will out them, because I wasn't reading yet the words from point 6. Very good, Muhammad, and very good, Syed, very good, Fatima. Very pleased with you today. My dear students, as you just observed and just learned right now and during our session, today we spoke about the family and the vocabulary, and what are the members of our family or of your families. I see that Amal, she came back. Welcome back, Amal. what I want to tell you is that we will be continuing, of course, to talk about the family and talk about yourself, I mean about your personal profile, and maybe we will be able to solve together what I call family tree. I mean, we will be able to present, for example, tell the names of your parents, and then your brothers, your sisters, and then your grandparents. So somewhere up here they are the grandparents, and then come, they come the parents, because they are their children, and then your parents have you, because you are their children. So we'll be able to make these family connections to see how what are the relationship between the members of the family, who are the grandparents, who are the children, the grandchildren, who are the parents, the husband, the wife. Till we meet next time, I would like very much that you practice on these words, the pronunciation, and think about the members of your family, the nearest ones. For example, if I talk to Muhammad and I say to him, Muhammad, who are your brothers? And he said to me, my brothers are let's say Ahmad and Mahmoud. I don't know yet. We will see in the next. So I will ask, for example, who are your parents? And you'll say to me, my parents are Khaled and Najwa. So I'll ask, what is Khaled to Najwa? And you will tell me, for example, husband. They are husband and wife. This is how we are going to talk for the next session. What we are going to do during our next session. And moreover, next lesson we'll have also another part which is very important for the possessive S. When I will say my names, for the my names letter, my name's letter, the beginning of my name's first letter is B, or my brother's car is gray. This S which you hear at the end shows the ownership. Like, for example, my first the letter of my name, my first letter's name is B, and my brother's car, I mean the car of my brother, I want to say the car of my brother, but we'll say my brother's car. We will say that who or what belongs to someone or to something. So this is exactly what we are going to learn next time. All right, and we'll have the focusing on this part of the grammar for the next lesson. It was a real pleasure to have the lesson with you today from this unit, and I'm very happy to see you all here, eager to learn English. Till we meet next time, I wish for you that you stay safe, sending you my best regards to all of you and to your families, and wishing you a lovely afternoon. My dear students, bye.